So let's do our next exercise, blinking of all the LEDs which are connected to your shift register. Now I know I have connected my data pin number 2, and latch pin to pin number 3, clock pin to pin number 4. Now let's create another variable sequence. Let's initialize it as 0. Now void setup. Let's write pin mode data pin as an output, and pin mode latch pin also as an output, and pin mode clock pin also as an output. Okay, now let me void loop. Let me do the void loop section. We'll do it later. First of all, create a variable, function, in which you will write your logic, which to send the data. Latch low shift out data pin, clock pin, most significant bit first. Okay, now write down your data which is sequence. Now turn high your latch pin. Okay, so now to turn on your LED, let's do our while loop section. Just declare your for loop ranging from 0 to 7. Alright, now just to turn on the LED, just write bit set. Write down your sequence, okay, and the value ranging from 0 to 7. It will turn on your all the LEDs after you call the function. Okay, now upload your code to see your LEDs. Alright, my all LEDs are turned on. Now add some delay. After 1 second, I want to turn off my LED. Just add for loop I equals to 0, I less than equals to 7, I plus plus. Alright, now to turn off the LED, you will write bit clear and the same sequence. Okay, now here you will also call the function. Now put the delay to turn off your LEDs. Now upload your code. Okay, so here's the blinking of all the LEDs which are connected to your shift register. So that's it. Now let's do our next exercise.